How to send a Telegram message to WhatsApp. First of all, go ahead and open up the Telegram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any group chat from here. As you can see, a video and a text has been shared in this chat. If you want to share these to WhatsApp, then tap and hold the text. And then, tap on Select at the bottom. Now, select both the video and the text as shown. Then, tap on the share icon below. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Swipe left and tap on WhatsApp. From here, select the friends you want to share the messages with on WhatsApp. After that, tap on Next below. Here, tap on the Send button. You have now successfully shared these messages to WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily send a Telegram message to WhatsApp.